Hey there, tech enthusiasts. If you're tired of fumbling with your wallet and want to make payments faster and more secure, adding your Visa card to Apple Pay is a game changer. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can start using it in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the basics covered. You'll need an iPhone running the latest iOS. Check your settings to update if needed, a Visa card from a bank that supports Apple Pay, and a stable internet connection. Not all banks are on board yet, so double check with your card issuer if you're unsure. Okay, let's get started. Open the Wallet app on your iPhone. It's that little wallet icon on your home screen. Once you're in, tap the plus sign in the upper right corner to add a new card. Now, you have two options. You can manually enter your Visa card details like the card number, expiration date, and CVV, or use your camera to scan the card for quicker setup. Go ahead and select what works best for you. After entering the info, Apple will verify your card with your bank. This might involve a quick text message with a code or an email confirmation. Follow the prompts to complete it. Once verified, your Visa card will appear in your wallet. Super easy, right? Now, for the fun part, using it. When you're ready to pay, just double-click the side button on your iPhone. That's the one on the right side. Your default card, which is now your Visa, will pop up. Authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode, and hold your phone near the payment terminal. You'll get a satisfying vibration and a check mark to confirm the transaction. You can also use it for online shopping or in apps that support Apple Pay. Just look for the Apple Pay logo. One quick tip. Always keep your iPhone software updated for the best security, and check with your bank for any potential fees related to using Apple Pay. If you run into issues, like a card not adding, restart your phone or contact your bank's support. There you have it. Using your Visa card on Apple Pay is straightforward and secure, making your daily transactions a breeze. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.